Outstanding design defines the 2013 Chrysler 300. This four-door, five-passenger sedan offers the features and options for which you've been searching. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Chrysler prioritized comfort and style by including front and rear reading lights, a built-in garage door transmitter, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, heated seats, and power seats. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Premium sound drives 10 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Curtain airbags combined with standard stability control in creating a comprehensive safety network. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.